This is one of the best stories I've read of why body language is very, very important. So 1960s की बात है. The makers of James Bond are looking for their James Bond, their hero. Now जब शॉन कॉनरी को बताया गया कि आप आइए जेम्स बॉन्ड के रोल के लिए ऑडिशन दीजिए, वो अपने एक्टिंग टीचर से मिलने गए और कि एक्टिंग टीचर ने उनको एडवाइस दिया कि embody the movements of a cat. So when Sean Connery goes into the audition, he shocks the makers by wearing casual costume. है ना, कोई tie नहीं, कोई suit नहीं. His attitude during the audition process was, you take me as I am or you don't take me at all. What struck the makers of James Bond then during his audition process was his assertiveness, was his confidence. Basically उनका body language और उनका अंदाज makers को बहुत पसंद आया. Actually audition के ठीक बाद कभी Broccoli was watching Sean Connery walk down the street and he says, Sean walked out the street like he was a panther, like he owned everything, like a devil may care attitude. और तब producers ने एक दूसरे से कहा कि we found our Bond. However, यहाँ पर एक बड़ी problem थी. Ian Fleming, the writer of James Bond, उनको शॉन कॉनरी पसंद नहीं थे. वो कहते कि शॉन कॉनरी looked like an overdeveloped stuntman and he's not suave or charismatic enough to portray the role of James Bond. But जब Ian Fleming ने शॉन कॉनरी को स्क्रीन पे देखा, then he got convinced. He got impressed actually. So later on in James Bond novel, Ian Connery wrote Bond ताकि उसका एक Scottish heritage दिखा सके to justify Sean Connery playing the role of James Bond. So actually लोग जिनको the original Bond मानते हैं, Sean Connery, he did not win the job of Bond with his acting skills, but because of his charisma and his body language. Hi, my name is Shine. Next time you go for an audition or an interview, just embody the movements of a cat. Just get into the interviewer's lap and just purr softly.